Hi there everyone, welcome to another Minecraft tutorial video here on the channel. And within this video we're going to be looking at vaults in Minecraft. I got something pretty cool to show you. It's a command that allows you to change a Minecraft vault that you find in trial chambers in a very specific way. So usually you have to use some kind of trial key in order to actually unlock the vault and gain access to the items. But in this particular case, these trial vaults are special. They cannot be opened with a normal trial key, all right? So I've actually forced it so that these vaults require specific items in order to actually open. So this one right here requires cake, as you can see right here. And this one requires a block of diamond. So it's a pretty cool little thing you can do. And obviously the loot table, or the loot that's actually given by the vault, is just an ordinary trial vault loot that you normally get in the trial chambers. But I'm going to be showing you how to use a command to actually force the key item for the vault to any item you want. Now, first off, what we're going to want to do right here is we're going to use F3 and the H key here and make sure our advanced tooltips are shown. Because what this allows us to do is when we hover over the items in the inventory or in the creative menu here, it will actually show in gray the Minecraft item ID for that item. So we've got obviously Minecraft : cake, and we have Minecraft : diamond _ block for a diamond block. So you can actually use this in order to actually find out an item ID of a particular item you want to force as the key for your vault. So make sure to find an item you want to do, and then we can continue actually forcing the trial key to something in particular. So what we're going to be doing in this case is when I place down this vault, it will default to a normal trial key as what is needed as an item, but we're actually going to be altering the config data of this vault. So this is how we're going to do it right here. We're going to stand on top of the vault and we're going to do the following command. We're going to do /data modify like this. We're going to do block because we're looking at block data here. We're going to do tilde -1 tilde. All this does is points directly below us, the block below the player. And this is what we're going to be actually modifying. We're going to do config dot and then key _ item like that, okay? And then we're going to do set value, and then we're going to do some curly brackets right here. So we're going to be setting some item data for this particular key in the config of the vault. So in this particular case, I'm going to do, I don't know, let's pick just an emerald, for example. So let's do ID : and then inside of here, we're going to do Minecraft : and then emerald like that. And then to make sure that it does a particular count and it's a valid item, we're going to do count as 1. So that means 1 item, okay? Now, that is basically it. That allows us to force the key item. And if I run this here, you'll notice that this particular trial key no longer works. But if I get myself an emerald, you'll be able to see that it actually does work and the vault will actually open for us. Now, the thing that's very cool about this is that using this method of modifying the data, you can actually set the count to whatever you want. So I've actually set this particular vault to only open if you have a stack of bread. So as you can see here, I'm using a singular item of bread and the vault is not opening. But if we use a stack of bread right here, you'll see that the vault actually accepts that and opens for us. Now, obviously you can get a lot more complicated with this, and you can check for a custom name on the item and so on, but I'm just showing you the basics of how to change the item type and also the item amount for the actual trial vault itself. But hopefully this helps you out, and I'm sure someone will be wanting to do this within a creative project or something like that. But unfortunately, I don't think there is a way to force particular items into the vault. You can change the loot table, I guess, or what loot is specified, but I don't think you can actually inject items into the vault, unfortunately. But I am going to keep an eye on that to see if there is a way to do that. And that's about it, folks. It is as simple as that. It's actually quite a simple command. I will put the command in the description of the video so you can copy and paste it into your Minecraft and have a look for yourself. But hopefully this helps you out. If it did, then a like, subscribe on the video would be very much appreciated. And make sure that you hit notification bell so that you stay notified of any future videos here on the channel. And if you want to follow my socials, they're on screen and in the description. And if there's any other tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below and I may do it for a future video. But hope to see you in the next tutorial. Stay happy and healthy as always, and bye bye.